Hey, what's going on, family? We're going to talk about QQQ today, and maybe we might want to get ready for 25% gains. What do you guys think? Let's break down the chart, and we're going to see whether or not that's feasible. Is it reasonable for us to expect 25% gains in a QQQ? Because if so, we want to be prepared for it to go down. Guys, appreciate my videos and my content. Hit the like button so you can also subscribe to the channel for more content. Now, here it is. We did a price prediction in the QQQ all the way back here in August of 2023. Look at this. We were anticipating weakness to occur in the market in QQQ, right? And it took the market all the way into October the 26th, 2023 for us to get just 4.83%. It took that long, from August to October. But hey, it happened. Pretty good call there. Because after that, look what happened. The QQQ went bananas and went crazy and went ballistic. It went all the way up to $500. All right, so now what we're going to do here is we can clearly tell that from this massive move down, which began on July the 10th and it ended on August the 5th, 16% drop. We have now seen price in the QQQ reclaim some of that same price action to where now the market is up 13%, almost 14%. So what's left? 2%, 2.25% left. So what do you think is going to happen as we see the QQQ advance back up here to higher prices? What do you think? It's going to start trading like this. That's what we're going to see. And this is what we want to see, right? We want to see this happen because it tells us that the buyers are comfortable with buying this ETF at this level, because this would tell us that the next longer term action is for the market to continue to go higher. That is what we're on the lookout for. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see nothing like this. Okay. We don't want to see the market quickly come up, kind of hold for a couple of days and then quickly come back down. We don't want to see that. If we're looking for 25% gains in this ETF, we don't want to see that. All right. So let's look at QQQ on a weekly time frame, because I am looking for price to go up. However, we want to be prepared to the location, to how high price is going to go. Okay. So this is a big sell zone right there. But you can see on this last weekly price bar that the sellers did not even impact the buyers. Like the buyers were like, whatever the price is, I'm gonna buy it, and I just want to see the market go up. That is what happened on this weekly price bar as well as this one. Then you look at this on the 2 weeks. Buyers came into the market in the QQQ right around this particular area. Now, this is on the 2 weekly time frame, so we can refine it a little bit better on the daily. But that's why the market bounced right here on the 2 weeks, because of what happened on these 2 weekly price bars. See, the market always drops breadcrumbs, and here it is on the 3 weeks. So if I were to take this line here, well, I'm gonna create another one. This is a very bullish ETF right now. Look at this. Is that by coincidence? The market in QQQ bounced off this trend, or it created this trend back in October 2023, and it came and tested it again July 2024. Is that by coincidence? Like, begin to ask yourself these questions. Nothing happens by circumstance. Nothing just happens out the blue. These things are strategic. Whoever controls the price action is the one dictating where price is going to go. That is why the market in the QQQ bounced off that trend line. So it took a while, granted, from October to July, but understand, if you already had your buy order into the market in QQQ, you would have got triggered and you would already been up in this ETF, what? 14%. So this is it on a 3 weekly time frame. The market is bullish, especially how the market ended on that 3 weekly price bar there. Here it is on the 5. 10 more days left on this 5 weekly price bar, and look how it looks now. These 5 weekly price bars, this one, well, I would say all of these, this one, this one, this one, this one, and now the current one, all reflects that buyers run the market. Okay. Now, the question is, can it run it to $600? That's the question. What do you think? Because I do think it's going to try to test the market all the way up here at the previous highs. Here it is on the 4. Here is QQQ on the 3. And here it is on the 2. Okay. We may actually see sellers hit the market in QQQ right around here. So just be ready for that. That could be a sell zone right there. It is on the daily. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. We are going to look for price in QQQ to trend higher. This will be our first target. Around 490, 1.89%. Second target is going to be around 500, which is around 3.83. Second is going to be around 4.5%. Now I said 25% gain, right? That's 4.5% right there. For us to get 25% gain, we need to see the market in the QQQ run all the way up here. Okay, to $600 for 25%. 600. Is that logical? Yes. Is it possible? Yes. Question is, how long it's going to take? Because we may continue to see the QQQ continue to trade like this, continue to hold this trend line that we created. So it might have another opportunity to come back down and bounce off that trend. Might get rejected again, bounce off this trend line again, and then continue to break out like that. But no doubt, we all can clearly see this ETF is bullish. It's just a matter of, okay, where do you want to enter in the market at? Do you want to enter down here? Or do you want to enter at the highs? It's all about risk tolerance, because those who enter up here at the highs will more than likely bear the brunt of price volatility. Those who bought off this trend line down here, for instance, they're not worried at all, because they're definitely sitting in profit right now. But I do suspect that this ETF continues to go up, and we're going to follow that notion. So here it is on the 3-hour chart. I want to find a buy zone. So we'll create a buy zone here. And let's do one more right around here. So like these will be locations to where I don't want to see the market break below. Okay, so we'll just hold on that first buy zone. And that's it, I'm done. You guys are up next. Give me your price prediction with a comment below, and we'll see which one plays out right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.